Hello everyone, welcome to YUCa's Japanese cooking. Today I want to show you how to make grilled onigiri. Have you ever tasted this onigiri? Today I want to show you two ways to make grilled onigiri. One, the classic style, and the second, the modern style. And let's compare the flavor, how it's like. And during this video, I'll show some tips and techniques to make delicious grilled onigiri. So please watch until the end. Here are the ingredients. Grilled onigiri is done! You can see the color difference. The classic style, plain rice in the onigiri. And modern style, you don't see the white part. So it's evenly seasoned. Okay, now let's try tasting. Itadakimasu. Okay, and I'll start the classic one first. Some part is very salty. And some part is very plain. It's like treasure hunting. And you can taste many different flavors. Even the seasoning is only soy sauce and mirin. And outside is very crunchy. It's very familiar for me. Okay, now let's try the modern style. It's already seasoned, all of it. I think this is the convenience store style Yaki Onigiri. It's all seasoned. Like it's automatically seasoned well. Outside is crispy, same as the classic style. And the flavor is all plain. I mean, same saltiness, same thickness. I understand it's a grilled onigiri, but there is no up and down. But I think what is good about this modern style Yaki Onigiri is that you can put any ingredients in advance and make grilled onigiri. Maybe I can add bonito flakes or cheese or sesame or other ingredients like small fish. It's easy to customize if you mix all together in advance and grill. So which one would you like to try? Classic style, modern style, or maybe both? Please let me know. Okay, do you remember the tip? So when you make grilled onigiri, onigiri in general, please use Japanese rice. Japanese rice is short grain rice. And you can also use sushi rice as well. Maybe you can find sushi rice in your local supermarket. It's all Japanese rice. It might be better to choose Japonica rice if possible. So please use Japanese rice. And tip, when you make classic style grilled onigiri, please form and grill first. Please make sure the all surface grilled and then please put sauce. Otherwise, the sauce absorb in the rice and it separates. So you need the patience to make grilled onigiri. So please wait until the onigiri is well grilled. And tip, after adding the sauce, it will be easy to be burned So please control the heat. I recommend to roll quickly after put the sauce. It will be evenly grilled and seasoned at the same time. So for the classic style. In modern style, it's easy to cook. You can just form and grill and wait. And of course, please roll and grill all the surface. Those are the tips. Special thanks to Mario and Luigi. Again, they're always sleeping. And I started sending newsletter to everyone who is interested in Japanese food. To join the newsletter, please go to my website, yjc.tokyo, yjc.tokyo. And there's a pop-up screen. So please type your email address and click and join. And here's Sui-chan! Hi everyone! Sui-chan! She likes onigiri in general. So she enjoys eating onigiri. As you see. Yeah, wow! Which one would you like to try, Sui-chan? Which one do you like? Oh, she chose the classic one first. Oishii? Yummy? Oishii? Supervisor Sui-chan does her work, of course. Oishii, Sui-chan? And then now she tries the modern style. Yeah, I'm sure it's easy to eat. Yeah. So grilled onigiri is good for children. And then in this case, please control the saltiness. So okay, thank you so much everyone. See you next video. Bye!